If you're a user of the Samsung browser app and you want to be able to set certain tabs and address bars to where you want it to be, here's where you can go to customize the layout and menus for your Samsung browser on your Galaxy A55 smartphone or any other Samsung phone with Android 14. You'll want to go into the Samsung browser app, which is this one here. Then once here in this section here, you will see all these different options here, okay? And you'll now go to the three lines to the bottom right down there. Once you select it, you'll be taken here and you'll select where it says settings. As you're in the settings section here, there are a few options. You got the sync with Samsung Cloud, so you can sync that with your Samsung account. You got the home page quick access. You got address bar, which would be Google if you want that. Or you can change the address bar to another type instead of using Google in your Samsung browser. Now, here's where you can change the appearance of the layout and the menus. So if this is off, the address bar will be to the top. But if you want it to appear to the bottom, you'll turn this one on. You got show tab bar. When I turn this off, I'll come in a little closer. You can see that it's making the changes for you here. You'll see that little tab bar there. Okay, that's those tabs that you might want to use later on. You also got your bookmark bar. So if you got some bookmarks saved in your Samsung browser, you want them to appear here. Notice how those lines appear down there. You can use that. You also got show menu bar while scrolling. And you also got hide status bar, which is the information up here. You can hide that while in the browser app, okay? And then you got the customizing of the menu here. These are the icons that will appear in your bottom section. When you press on the three lines, these options will appear here, and you can long press them and drag them in and out and remove them for those that you want or don't want, okay? And of course, once you're done and all set, back into your Samsung browser here, you'll see the new changes that are made. Like and sub.